For some businesses, delivery is a key component of your business. So let's take a look at placing a delivery order. We'll start by entering in the phone number. Now, if this is a customer who has already previously ordered from us, their information will automatically populate. And we can quickly start the order. We'll click through and order whatever it is the customer would like. Once ready, we can choose Send. We'll now see that we have 2 delivery orders. One has been paid, we can see that as indicated in green, and the other is not paid. We can then go to our delivery order in the menu option, and we can see this delivery. We can assign it to our delivery driver. Any drivers who are in the system assigned to deliveries and clocked in will populate in that delivery driver section for us to assign. We can then go into the assigned delivery option and see that Roshan has 2 deliveries assigned to him. This allows us to keep a very clear view of who is responsible for what deliveries.